Jenna speaking. How can we help you?
Thank you for calling RAYUS. Bruce began me up.
Do you need to reschedule an appointment? Yeah, what days work best for you? Priscilla? Priscilla, how are you? Good, how are you? Good. My name's Kristen. Excited to be doing your My patient's checking in. Do you need anything?
Started to do this. Sounds good. When the doctor comes in, we'll get you all numbed up before we do your injection.
Okay.
Go ahead and take a deep breath in and hold.
Have you ever had a thyroid ultrasound before?
Not.
So what led to this scan today? Why did your doctor order this?
Got some labs done and they